In this video, I'm going to show you how to export diagrams from Draw.io. So you have to go up here to the top left where it says File, and then you want to click on Export As, and then you can export this as a few different things. PNG, JPEG, WebP, SVG, PDF, so there's a bunch of different things. Just select one. For me, I'm going to export it as a PNG right now. Click on that, and then you can go ahead and set the different zoom or the border width, and then the size can be either page or diagram. You can make the background transparent if you want to, which I'm going to do right now, and then you can set the appearance if you want shadows, grids, and of course you can also include a copy of the diagram as well if you want to. After that, click on export. And then here you can basically just select where you want to save this. I want to download it to my computer. I'm going to just leave it as that, press on OK, and it's going to get exported. And if I now open this up, as you can see, this is my exported diagram. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.